me to put my ear to the ground, listen for pepper steps, check stallion wrestlers for ringworm, teach an armbar series, look for broken headgear? This is the modern age. That stuff doesn't work anymore. That's why I had to open up this stallion wrestling fireworks stand. I wasn't getting by on my coaching wages.
I see you got the snakes and the sparklers. Where's the good stuff, man?
Good stuff? This is the good stuff. Snakes and sparklers.
Good stuff? Are you nuts, man? You need stuff that explodes, stuff that goes boom!
Why is that good?
You might as well say, why is a crossface good? Why is a crotch lift good? Why is a butt drag good? Why is Ric Flair good?
Woo!
So you're gonna tell me that you don't got any black cats? Some Roman candles? Some screaming memes?
No.
Come on, man. You ain't got no lady fingers, fuzz butlers, snicker bombs, church burners, finger bangers, gut busters, zippity doo-dahs, crap flappers?
I just said no!
So you're gonna stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you ain't got no whistling bungholes, some spleen spitters, some whisker biscuits, some honky lighters, some whoosker do's, some whoosker don'ts, cherry bombs, nipsey daisers, with or without the scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser?
No, because snakes and sparklers are all that I like.
Well, see, that might be your problem right there, buddy. It's not what you like, it's what the city of Madera likes. Come on out to Madera South's wrestling team's fireworks stand.
We're located in the Carl's Jr. parking lot over there in the Country Club area. Come on down.
Boom!